very good evening. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. On October 8, 20th, 21st, 22nd and 23rd, the students of Child and Elementary Education First Standard of the Salesian School S. Savio at the Cor Bandeirante DF participated in the drive Indo Sal A in celebration of Children's Month. Communication team with new space of work. The Salesian Foundation Communication Team Room was recently, in the first week of November, reorganized to enable a more collaborative work dynamic among collaborators. Despite the reorganization, taking into account the current pandemic, several security measures have been taken into account to minimize the risk of contagion, such as the constant use of a mask, regular disinfection of surfaces, ventilation of the room, and the placement of barriers between the areas. Secretaries always in accordance with the contingency plan in force for the Salesians in Lisbon. The Salesianos Foundation Communication Team currently has 10 employees and provides designed image, internet, social media and content services to all Salesians in Portugal and Cape Verde. The Salesian Brothers Annual Gathering of the Vietnam Province was held on 6 and 7 November 2020 at Ho Trom, Vung Tau Province, around 80 kilometers from Ho Chi Minh City. There were 39 brothers in attendance with the accompaniment of Father Joseph Dodak Dung, one of our former novice masters. Father Joseph and the Vice Provincial was also with the brothers in the morning of the first day. The Association of Mary Help of Christians Philippines celebrated its 38th National Convention on 31st October 2020 at the National Shrine of MHC in Parañaque City and live streamed via Facebook page of the National Shrine of Mary Help of Christians Parish. This year's chosen theme was ADMA, Living the Essentials in this time of pandemic and beyond. Physically present were more or less 30 members from the following chapters: Sant Isidro Labrador Parish in Sucat, Parañaque City, Sant Ildefonso Parish in Makati City, Sant Juan Nepomuceno Parish in Pasay City, St. John Bosco Parish in St. Rosa Laguna, and Auxilium Chapter in Parañaque City, also the host chapter. Other members joined the activity via Facebook and YouTube live streaming. The sixth official meeting since 2019 of the Don Bosco Lahore Past Pupils was held on 25th October 2020 in the Alma Mater. Really well communicated, well prepared and well organized for the first time, there was also good online participation from overseas. Together with Father Noble Lal, SDB Rector, and Brother Alex Abelgas, delegate online participation, some 40 past pupils took part in this enthusiastic encounter on Sunday afternoon. On 29 October 2020, the Department of Social Studies, Religion and Culture of Sarisat Pithayalai School, Banpong, Ratchaburi Province, organized a moral education seminar for the 400 high school students who followed the Buddhist religion under the theme Creating a Society Against Corruption, with the two famous Buddhist monks, Pra Mahasompong Talaputto and Pra Ajahn Sompong Ratanawangso, as resource persons. The event was held at Chera Wanont Hall of Sarisat School. On this occasion, some members of the teaching staff and a group of parents were also present. Don Bosco College, DBC Panjim, Department of BA Mass Communication, organized a webinar to celebrate National TV Talk Show Host Day by Radhika Satoskar and to introduce the first year and second year students to the amazing world of electronic media on October 23, 2020. Satoskar in her session laid down the underpinning technicalities of the news media. She discussed topics such as being an intern, a local news reader and assistant anchor, to being a news reader and hosting interviews for national television like Doordarshan. Satoskar also inspired and motivated the students by sharing about her hard work and determination to succeed in her career. In order to be successful, you need to have a sharp and an alert mind 24/7. You also need to be well read and be able to articulate well, said Satoskar. Lastly, appearances do matter, but just enough to look presentable. More importantly, one must stay headstrong and determined to the task and their career, she added. The Don Bosco Development Society (DBDS), in joint collaboration with AXA Business Services, helped yet another 120 families from the slums of Pune city by distributing relief kits containing ration and toiletries. The beneficiaries mostly consisted of physically challenged, commercial sex workers, transgenders, widows and migrants. Father Rolvin De Mello, Executive Director, DBDS, thanked AXA Business Services for the financial support. Social distancing and other government compliances were strictly adhered to during this entire process. Since April 2020, we have touched the lives of 6,32,683 poor and needy, providing for their basic needs during this challenging time of COVID-19 pandemic. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. See you again tomorrow at the same time and in the same channel. Thank you for joining us.